Hello, Paul Hamilton here. So we've just had some lessons with ProBots and BBots, and now we wanted to jump back into Scratch and really work on accuracy and addition of numbers. So I've rigged up a little kind of task here, and you can see here that if I press the first one, the goal of the task is to get the ball in the hole. Okay, so we've got 3 lots of code, and what we really wanted to focus on with this activity is getting our little coders to have a go at this first part here, this 9, and then really reflect on and getting it as accurate as possible, and then working on that next step. So with ProBots, especially when we're doing some drawing and some different things with it, one of the things that we're trying to focus on is that accuracy and being able to revise our code and our thinking before we move on to that next step. So what you could do is you could put a whole range of different balls in different areas so the code is different, and then you can actually get kids to actually try and do that ultimate goal, which is getting the ball in the hoop. A fun little activity. It differentiates well because you've got some kids that are going to have success but just get that first ball, and then there's others going to move on to do some other things. So just a really quick lesson with Scratch Junior, focusing on accuracy, revising, testing and revising again.